Welcome to this episode of Delfield Tech Talk. On this episode, we're going to go over how to use the Specification Line Connect mobile app. So to download the app, you're going to need to go to your Google Play or Apple Store, and then you're going to type in Delfield Specification Line Connect. Here's what you'll see in the App Store, and then when you're ready, go ahead and hit install. Once you've downloaded the app, you can create an account. Once you open the app, you can see I already have an account, so we can create a new one. Your simple first name, last name, and some email address, and then we can get into creating a new password. For your password, it has to be pretty strong. You'll need a minimum of 8 characters and at least one uppercase, a numeric case, and a special character, like an exclamation point or an underscore. Go ahead and enter your corporate office information. Once you're all done, hit submit, and you'll have your own account. One of the first things you're going to be doing is creating the site. Go ahead and log in. Go ahead to the site list. This is where you're going to get a good description of all the sites that you have. I already have a couple in here, so we're going to add a new site, clicking the button up top. Here you can add in some simple information for the site and its address. Once you've created a site, you can create some equipment at that site. Click on the 3 lines, hit View Equipment, and you'll notice that it pops up No Equipment Available. At the top, hit Add, and now you can start putting in our serial number, a name, just a short description, and the type and model that the unit is. A good place to get this information is right from the unit itself. Hit the Settings, go to the Diagnostics button, and the model information. This is where you'll get your type and your serial number. Once you've created a piece of equipment, you can now view the stats. Next to the name, select the menu icon, and then select Equipment Statistics. This first page here is a summary, a general overview of all of the statistics for the unit. And if you'd like to see a different date range, select the calendar icon on the top right, and you can select through various different dates. Scrolling through the top bar, you can get information on relay statuses, temperature, condenser, and evaporator details, and energy usage. If you hit the box icon in the top right hand corner, it'll rotate the screen and expand the chart details. Use 2 fingers to pinch or expand the charts to get better details. To view the equipment errors, on the Name tab, select the menu and go into the View Error Statistics. Now if there are no errors, you'll get a dialog that says something went wrong. That's actually good. That means no errors had occurred. If there are errors, you'll get a list. From top down will be oldest to newest, and you can read the trigger, possible causes, and a manager's response. Thank you for watching this episode of Delfield Tech Talk. If you'd like more information, follow our YouTube channel.